am going to do reciprocal of 1 by 2. It will become 2 by 1. Means 2 by 5 into 2 by 1. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 2 into 2 divided by 5 into 1. 2 2s are 4, 5 1s are 5. Next one, 4 divided by 9 divided by 2 by 3. Means 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. After rewriting that, 4 by 9 as it is you write down. This division will become into when we do reciprocal. Okay, other next fraction. 2 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 2. Here 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4 cancelled. Then 2 3s are means 2 into 3 remain. Here 9 into 1. 2 3s are 6. 9 1s are 9. Next question. 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. 3 by 7 into 8 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 8. 7 strike out means 7 1s are 7 1s are. Then 3 into 1, 3. 1 into 8 is 8. That is 3 by 8. Next one, 2 integer 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. After rewriting the question, 2 3s are 6 children plus 1 is 7 divided by 3 divided by 3 by 5 as it is. Okay. Then 7 by 3 write down. This division will become into when we do reciprocal of this. 3 by 5 reciprocal is 5 divided by 3. Then 7 5s are 35. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Next one. 3 integer 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 2 into 8 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 8. Okay. 7 3s are 21. 2 8s are 16. Next one. 2 by 5 divided by 1 integer 1 by 2. 2 by 5 as it is write down children. This one converted to improper. 1 2s are 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Okay. 2 by 5 into 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 3. Okay. Then 2 into 2, 5 into 3. Means numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 2 2s are 4 children. 5 3s are 15. Next question children. 3 integer 1 by 5 divided by 1 integer 2 by 3. After rewriting the question, convert to improper. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 is 16 divided by 5 and divided by symbol as it is. 1 3s are 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3. Now reciprocal of 5 by 3. 16 by 5 as it is write down into 5 by 3 reciprocal is 3 divided by 5. Now 16 3s are 48, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Next one. 2 integer 1 by 5 divided by 1 integer 1 by 5. After rewriting the question, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5 divided by 1 5s are 5 plus 1 is 6 by 5. Then reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. This as it is, that is 11 by 5 into 5 by 6. 5 5 cancelled children. Then 11 1s are 11, 1 6 are 6. Okay, this exercise completed. Before going to start next exercise, some important information you just learn and then we will move towards exercise. Here first we have to compare children. If you started to compare, then you will understand which is equal, which is less than and which is greater than. Okay, which number will be equal? See, I have written here 1 is equal to 1.0. It is a whole number and here 1 is also a whole number and decimal point afterwards decimal places will come. Is it? Here 1 means children 1.0 we can write. Means when decimal places they will not give, point after zeros we can take. Okay, we can consider. That's why 1 is equal to 1.0 I have written. Next one observe 2.0 and here 2.1. First we will compare whole number 2 and 2 both are equal. Then we will move to the next place, that is decimal place. First decimal place we will call it as 10th place. Is it? Here it is 0, here it is 1. 0 is greater or 1? Yes, 1 is greater. Then 2.0 is less than 2.1 I have written. Okay. This you observe 3.25 here 3.250 means first whole number is 3, here also it is 3, 10th place is 2, this is 2, 100th place is 5, here also 5, but here 1000th place not given children, here they had given 0. Both are here equal means we can consider children. 3 places, up to 3 places we are going to compare here. Then 3.25 will be equal to 3.250. Okay, are able to understand? If I remove means also it is equal. Then 0.4 and 4.0. Here whole number is 0. Here it is 4. 0 is bigger or 4 is bigger? You can compare directly. Then 0.4 will be less than 4.0. This you observe 9.1 is equal to 9.10. Just before I said children, if two places they gave, another place let them give. Here how many places they will give? Here also we can consider while comparing. Okay? 9.1 will be equal to 9.10 or 100. Here 22.36, 20.36. First place 2, here also it is 2, here it is 2, here 0. Here in the whole number itself you can decide 22 is bigger than 20. Okay? Next 0.75, 0.750. Both are equal. Okay? Why? Because we can consider here 0. Let's solve exercise 2.5 first question. Which is greater? 0.5 or 0.05? Observe here 0.5 is greater than 0.05. I have written. Children here 0 it is. Means whole number place 0, 0. Both the sides equal, we can't compare. Next digit observe. Here it is 5. Here it is 0. Means 10th place. Okay, decimal place, first place we are going to consider it is 10th place. It is 5 and 0. Then definitely 5 is greater. Still if you have confusion, we can take another place. If they gave 2 places children, here also you write 2 places. Okay, means it won't change the value. The value remains same. 0.50 is nothing but 0.5 itself. Okay, if you written 2 places, here 5, it is 50, is it? We should not read it as a whole. Then 2, you can compare in your mind. 0.5 is 5 and 50 is 50. Is it? In your mind at least you can calculate, but we will read it as 50. 0.50 is greater than 0.05. Is it clear? Next one, 0.7 or 0.5. Here whole number place, both are 0. Decimal, first decimal place is 7. Here it is 5. Only one decimal place both the sides. No need to take extra zeros and all. 7 is greater, then 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Next one, 7 or 0.7. 7 is a whole number children and 0.7 it is a decimal number, is it? Here 7 is a whole, here 0 is a whole. When they will give in this way, you should never confuse children. Better you take 0.0. When they will give whole numbers, you better take 1 point. Then it will be easy for you to understand and put the less than or greater than sign. 7 here 0. Here 0 it is 7. 7 definitely greater than 0.7. Okay. Next one. 1.37 or 1.49. Here 1 it is. Here 3 and it is 4. Means in first 10th place only. In decimal, first place itself is enough to consider which is greater. Then 1.37 is less than 1.49, which is nothing but 1.49 is greater than 1.37. Next one, 2.03 or 2.30. 2.03 is less than 2.30. I just said in mind 03 is greater or 30 is greater. You compare in that way, easily you can write it. 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Next one children, 0.8 or 0.88. Here 2 decimal places are there, here only 1 decimal place. You can make equal both the decimal places and then compare. Okay, it is 80, it is 88. Definitely 88 is greater. Therefore 0.80 is less than 0.88, which is nothing but 0.88 is greater than 0.80. Thank you.